Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today I will present a paper about diagnosing entrepreneurship and innovative digital transformation in project-based organization. The main idea is many organizations do project, but they don't have a simple tool to measure how strong they are in entrepreneurship, innovation, and digital transformation at the same time. And this paper proposes a diagnostic method to do that. For some background, today organizations face strong competition and fast technology changes to survive. They need to be entrepreneurial, meaning they take initiative, they accept some risk, and they accept proactivity. They also need an innovation, meaning they improve product, service, and processes, and they need digital transformation, meaning they use digital technologies not only for tools but also to change the how they work and create value. Many organizations are now project based, so the projects are not only tasks, they are how the organization delivers strategy and changes. So the main thing that here is missing is that many studies discusses entrepreneurship, innovation, and digital transformation, but usually they have studied separately. Also, many maturity models focus only on digital transformation, uh, or only on innovation, or only on entrepreneurship. So the gap is there is no integrated diagnostic method measures these three are areas together, especially for project based organization. The main problem is simple. Organization wants to improve, but they don't know their current level. They also don't know which area is weak: entrepreneurship, and innovation, or digital transformation. Because of that, decisions are based on guess, not based on evidence. The paper asks how can we create a diagnostic method that evaluate these three capabilities together and gives useful recommendation. The objective of this paper are to build a cooperative diagnostic method that ensure entrepreneurial orientation and degree of innovation, digital transformation maturity. Use a model that connects these three through a common element, test the method in real organizations and collect feedbacks. The scope is limited in some ways. The method is designed for project-based organization. The demonstration was done in seven service sector organizations in Brazil, and the paper focuses on creating and validating the diagnostic tools, not on long-term transformation results. So it is a diagnostic and guidance tool, not a full transformation implementation roadmap. Now, the contributions of this paper in three main ways. It proposes a single integrated diagnostic for entrepreneurship and other two elements, and it introduces a connecting model using three central axes: innovation, customer, and strategies. These three axes link all the constructs. It also provides a practical approach, score categories, and recommendations, and it was refined through expert feedback. So the value is to create a practical, and it helps managers to see where to improve. The methodology is designed since science research or DSR. DSR means we create an artifact. In this case, we are diagnostic method and evaluate it. The method uses three measurement parts. Uh, One is the entrepreneurial orientation. It uses five dimensions: innovativeness, proactiveness, and risk taking, also autonomy, and finally the competitive aggressiveness. And for the degree of innovation, it uses the innovation radar idea. It measures innovation across areas and then classifies as little or hot innovative, occasional innovators, also systematic innovators. And then digital transformation maturity. It uses a maturity model with with stages. The organization can only move to the next stage if it passes minimum score conditions. They improve the instrument through multiple rounds with executives and academics, and then it tested with 7 organizations. Now the results are showing that after applying the diagnostic in organizations, they could produce clear profiles. For example, some organizations showed stronger entrepreneurial but weak digital transformation maturity. Some were doing digital tools but lacked innovation, strategy alignment. So the key result is not only the scores, the result is about the diagnostic produced actionable recommendation, and the participants said the method is useful to understand the current situation and plan improvement. In the discussion, the paper explains what the result mean. The main important point is the entrepreneurship, innovation, and digital transformations are connected. For example, if strategy is weak, digital efforts become isolated. If customer focus is weak, innovation may not create real value. And if innovation capability weak, digital transformation becomes an only automation, not transformation. So the evaluator also suggested something important, that they want this method to be a digital tool like a software or app, so the result and recommendations can be generated automatically. And in conclusion, the paper delivers the diagnostic method that integrates three important organizational capabilities. Also, it helps a project based organization understand their strength and weakness and gives a improvement direction in three axes. So it supports a better decision making and more structured improvement planning. In the future, the paper suggests apply the diagnostic in more sector, not only services. Use more organizational and different countries for a stronger validation, and do longitudinal studies, so to see progress over time, and very importantly, create a digital version of the diagnostic, possibly using AI to automate scoring and recommendation. Thank you for this.